Welcome to the lecture of examples on method of variation of parameter. So, first example is d2y by dx square plus 3 into dy by dx plus 2y is equal to e to the power x by variation of parameter. Now, first we convert this in operator form d. So, this is d square y plus 3 into dy plus 2y is equal to e to the power x. Now this is d square plus 3d plus 2 multiplied by y is equal to e to the power x. What are the roots of this? First find out auxiliary equation. M square plus 3m plus 2 is equal to 0. So m plus 2 and m plus 1 is equal to 0. So m is equal to minus 2 and minus 1 are the roots. How to write CF? CF is equal to C1 e to the power minus 2x plus C2 e to the power minus x. Now compare this CF with C1 into Y1 plus C2 into Y2. Here sometimes your Y1 and Y2 may get interchanged, but your final answer must be same. So CF is y1 we obtained it as e to the power minus 2x and y2 is equal to e to the power minus x. Now find out y1 dash. Y1 dash is equal to minus of 2 e to the power minus 2x and y2 dash is equal to minus of e to the power minus x. Now w can be written as y1 y2 dash minus y2 y1 dash. So it is equal to e to the power minus 2x into minus of e to the power minus x minus e to the power minus x into minus of 2 e to the power minus 2x, which is equal to minus of e to the power minus 2x minus x is minus 3x minus minus plus 2 times e to the power minus 3x. So it is equal to e to the power minus 3x. So w value is e to the power minus 3x. Now next we want u. U is equal to integration of minus y to f of x divided by w into dx, which is equal to integration of minus y2 is e to the power minus x, e to the power minus x, f of x is e to the power x divided by e to the power minus 3x multiplied by dx. So this is equal to integration of minus of e to the power plus 2x multiplied by e to the power plus 3x e to the power minus x into e to the power x dx, which is integration of minus e to the power 3x minus e to the power x is e to the power 2x into e to the power x dx. Now how to simplify this? We can write it as e to the power minus of e to the power x e to the power x multiplied by e to the power x into dx. Can we write like this? E to the power 2x is divided into two parts, e to the power x into e to the power x dx. Now to simplify this integral, we have to use substitution method. So put e to the power x is equal to t. If e to the power x is equal to t, e to the power x into dx is equal to dt. Substitute in this integral u. U is equal to minus of integration of e to the power x is t multiplied by e to the power x is e to the power t and e to the power x into dx is equal to dt. Now we can use here integration by part. First function, that is t as it is, integration of e to the power t is e to the power t minus integration of derivative of t is 1 and integration of e to the power t is e to the power t. So this is equal to minus of t into e to the power t minus e to the power t, which is equal to minus t into e to the e to the power t outside t minus 1 minus of t minus 1 into e to the power t, or you can write it as 1 minus t multiplied by e to the power t. I have taken this minus inside, minus of t plus 1. So it is equal to my 1 minus t, minus t value is e to the power x, resubstitute the value, and e to the power x. This is the value of u. Next we want v. V is equal to integration of y1 into f of x divided by w dx. So integration of y1 is e to the power minus 2x. f of x is e to the power x divided by w is e to the power minus 3x into dx. So this is equal to integration of e to the power x multiplied by e to the power x dx, or we can write it as e to the power x into e to the power x into dx. Again, to simplify this integral, put e to the power x is equal to t. So e to the power x into dx is equal to dt. Simplify this v, it is equal to integration of e to the power t. This is e to the power t multiplied by e to the power x into dx is dt. So what is integration of e to the power t? It is e to the power t. So e to the power t value is e to the power x. So we obtained it as e to the power x. Now substituting this u and v in particular integral, so pi will be, pi is equal to u into y1 plus v into y2. So u value we obtained it as 1 minus e to the power x multiplied by e to the power x multiplied by y1. y1 is e to the power minus 2x plus c2 is v is e to the power x multiplied by y2. y2 is e to the power minus x. Now simplify this term, it is e to the power minus 2x multiplied by e to the power x minus e to the power x into e to the power minus 2x into e to the power x plus e to the power minus x into e to the power x, which is equal to e to the power minus 2x into e to the power x. This is e minus e to the power minus x into e to the power x plus e to the power minus x into e to the power x. So this get cancelled and remaining is e to the power minus 2x into e to the power x. This is the pi. Now what is general solution? Y is equal to CF plus pi, which is equal to CF value is C1 e to the power minus 2x plus C2 e to the power minus x plus e to the power minus 2x into e to the power x. So this is the final solution for the given example. Second example is solve d square minus 2d plus 2 into y is equal to e to the power x into tan x by method of variation of parameter. Now first write auxiliary equation m square minus 2m plus 2 is equal to 0. What are the roots? Directly we will not get roots. So here a value is 1, b value is minus 2 and c value is equal to 2. M is equal to minus of b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, which is equal to minus of minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 minus 8 divided by 2. It is equal to 2 plus minus 4 minus 8 is minus 4 square root is 2i divided by 2. So it is equal to 1 plus minus I, and equate it with alpha plus minus beta I. What are the values of alpha and beta? Alpha is equal to 1 and beta is equal to 1. If alpha is 1, beta is 1, then CF can be written as e to the power alpha x in bracket c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. So e to the power alpha x, alpha is 1, e to the power x, c1 cos of x plus c2 sin x, c2 sin x. So this is equal to e to c1 e to the power c1 multiplied by e to the power x into cos x plus c2 multiplied by e to the power x into sin x. What are the values of y1 and y2 here? Compare it with c1 into y1 plus c2 into y2. So y1 is e to the power y1 we obtained it as e to the power x into cos x and y2 is equal to e to the power x into sin x. Now use y1 and y2 to find out w first. So y1 is equal to y1 dash, it is equal to e to the power x as it is, derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus cos x as it is multiplied by e to the power x. y2 dash is equal to e to the power x into cos x plus sin x into e to the power x, sin x into e to the power x. Now it is equal to y1 y2 dash, w is equal to y1 y2 dash minus y2 y1 dash, which is equal to y1 y2 dash is e to the power x into cos x plus multiplied by e to the power x multiplied by cos x plus e to the power x multiplied by sin x minus y2 y1 dash. So y2 is e to the power x into sin x multiplied by minus of e to the power x into sin x plus e to the power x into cos of x. Now it is equal to e to the power x is common in bracket. So e to the power x into e to the power x, it is e to the power 2x. Cos x remain as it is multiplied by cos of x plus sin x minus e to the power x into e to the power x, it is e to the power 2x. Sin x remain as it is multiplied by cos of x minus sin x. This is cos x minus sin x. Now it is equal to e to the power 2x. Taking e to the power 2x common from both the term, cos x into cos x is cos square x plus cos x into sin x minus cos x into sin x, minus with this minus it become plus sin square x. So this is equal to cos square x plus sin square x is 1, cos x minus sin x plus sin x get cancelled. So remaining is only e to the power 2x. This is the value of w. Now we got w, find out u. U is equal to integration of minus y to f of x divided by w into dx, which is equal to minus of integration of y2. y2 is e to the power x into sin x multiplied by f of x. F of x value is e to the power x into tan x divided by w is e to the power 2x dx. So this is equal to e to the power 2x, e to the power 2x get cancelled, minus of integration of sin x multiplied by tan x. Tan x is sin x upon cos x dx, which is equal to sin square x. Sin square x is minus of sin square x is 1 minus cos square x into dx divided by cos of x, which is equal to minus of integration of 1 by cos is sec x minus cos get cancelled, cos of x into dx. which is equal to integration of sec x is log of sec x plus tan x. So it is equal to minus of log of sec x plus tan x minus minus plus integration of cos x is sin of x. So this is u value is equal to minus of log of sec x plus tan x plus sin x. This is the value of u. Now we want v. So to get v is equal to integration of y1 into f of x divided by w into dx. So integration of y1 is e to the power x into cos of x multiplied by f of x is e to the power x into tan x divided by w is equal to e to the power 2x into dx. So this is e to the power 2x get cancelled. Integration of cos of x multiplied by sin x divided by cos of x dx, which is equal to integration of sin x, which is minus of cos of x. So v value we obtained it as v is equal to minus of cos of x. This is the value of v. Now pi can be written as u into y1 plus v into y2. So u is equal to minus of log of sec x plus tan x plus sin x. This whole term multiplied by y1. y1 is e to the power x into cos of x plus v is minus of cos of x multiplied by e to the power x into sin x. Now simplify the whole term so that some term will get cancelled. So it is equal to minus of e to the power x cos of x multiplied by log of sec x plus tan x tan x plus e to the power x into sin x into cos of x minus e to the power x into sin x into cos of x. So this term get cancelled and remaining is only minus of e to the power x into cos of x into log of sec x plus tan x. This is our pi, and finally solution is y is equal to cf plus pi. So y is equal to e to the power x in bracket c1 cos x plus c2 sin x minus e to the power x into cos x log of sec x plus tan x. So this is all about method of variation of parameter. In next lecture we are going to study Cauchy's differential equation and Legendre's differential equation. Thank you.